Guys, I'm so freaking sick of counting rounds. I got to where I'm just bagging them and weighing them now. I don't think y'all understand. I had to buy 4 more of these. So what I found was 124 at 100 rounds weighs. Oh, okay. So it's usually 2.9. 210, 88. Let's see. 210, 88. Damn, AAC is on it, boy. Okay. A little heavier. 210.92. Alright, that's acceptable. 210.9. So that's 2 pounds, 9 grams, 10 ounces. I don't know if y'all weighed shit before. It's 2 pounds, 10 ounces, 9 grams, 9.2. So, man, AAC is on it. 210.8 then. Oh, okay. A little lower. So that's what we're at. What, 800 rounds now? Good God, boy. I'm getting sick of this shit. 210.9. All right, now let's see what 115. Actually, we'll do 200 rounds of 115. Let's see what that is. 3 pounds, 9 ounces, 3 grams. Whoa, this one's way off.
I think there's a chain inside.
Uh-oh. We got to recount. Okay, yeah, this one's off. What's going on there? Well, anyways. God damn, boy. Yeah, 3.9. Yeah. Jesus Christ, boys. Oh, my God. This is like 3 days in a row. I haven't even got to the range yet this week. Buzz. It's ammo fever. What the fuck?